Hello, this is almost 3 a.m. when I'm creating this video. So yeah, let's continue on React day 10 of this 30 days React challenge, and I'm not sure what it will come. Let's see. Character counter, easy. Okay, acceptance rate is higher than the previous video that we did. You are tasked with creating a simple React application that allows user to type text into a text area. Okay, as users type, the application will display the number of characters entered in real time. Okay, it's basic yet effective exercise to test your understanding of React states, event, and DOM manipulation. Okay, initialize React component. Start by setting up the primary structure. You will need a div text area. Okay, so let's start with the text area. And we will start with the div. Let's do div /div. Okay, link text area and character count. Okay, what is this? Implement logic to detect when the content of the text area changes and compute the character count in real time. Okay, this is almost similar to what we had done in past. We will have to use a state hook, const character count set character count equals to use state. By default, because it is a character count, I think 0 would be a correct option, otherwise we'll update it later. And we'll mention value equals to character count, and on change what we will do is we'll get the E, which is the event. We'll set character count to E dot target dot value dot length. So this should give the character count correctly. What is next? Showcase the character counts dynamically by updating a separate div element. Okay, actually this is not the value. I was wrong here. This is not the value. We have been doing this like this in all the other cases because we were taking the input. In this we are taking the length of the input, so we will have to do this in separate. Let's do this. Okay, why is it 0? It should refresh, right? Now it should not show 0. Yeah, let's start. I think if it's this implementation, it would be really easy actually, considering what we have done in past. Create a text area. We have done that. Within your React component, ensure the ID. Okay, text input. Let's use this ID. Character count display below. Add a div element which will be responsible for displaying the number of characters typed into the text areas. The ID element should set as count. So ID is count, indicating no characters have been typed yet. Okay, so 0 was correct assumption. Implement a real-time character count logic. Okay, I think we have done that. Let me just run, and if there will be any failure, we will cross-check that. That's it. It was really easy actually, and I'm glad it was easy because I'm in half sleep. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Do subscribe to this channel and share it with others.